From a neurological viewpoint and both conventional and holistic approaches to health, we're taking a closer look at reflexology, a practice that's been around for centuries for many good reasons. Reflexology has helped countless people find relief and balance in their lives. We'll explore how reflexology works, share real-world examples of its benefits, and discuss why there might be a lack of extensive research on this and other holistic therapies. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of reflexology and why the absence of scientific evidence doesn't necessarily mean something isn't real. What is reflexology? Reflexology is a therapeutic method where pressure is applied to specific points on the feet, hands, or ears, known as reflex points. These points are believed to correspond to different organs and systems within the body. The idea is that by stimulating these points, you can promote healing and improve the function of the associated areas. The neurological connection. So how can pressing on my feet possibly affect my brain, lungs, or liver? The answer lies in our nervous system. Our feet, for instance, have over 7,000 nerve endings. When pressure is applied to these nerve endings, it sends signals through the nervous system to the brain. The brain processes these signals and can trigger a relaxation response, reduce stress, and even alleviate pain in different parts of the body. How reflexology has helped people. Now let's talk about how reflexology has made a difference in people's lives. Here are some real-world examples. 1. Stress relief and relaxation. Reflexology is widely used for stress relief. The gentle pressure applied during a session can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. This can lower heart rate, reduce blood pressure, and create a deep sense of calm. Many people report feeling much more relaxed and less stressed after a session. 2. Chronic pain management. Reflexology has been beneficial for managing chronic pain conditions such as arthritis, migraines, and back pain. By stimulating specific reflex points, reflexologists can help reduce pain signals and improve blood flow to the affected areas. For example, people with migraines have found relief by targeting reflex points related to the head and neck. 3. Improved circulation. Reflexology is known to enhance circulation, which is particularly helpful for individuals with conditions like diabetes or peripheral neuropathy. Improved circulation means that oxygen and nutrients are delivered more effectively to cells throughout the body, aiding in healing and overall wellness. 4. Support for cancer patients. Reflexology is increasingly used as a complementary therapy for cancer patients. While it's not a cure for cancer, it can help alleviate side effects of treatment, such as nausea, fatigue, and anxiety. Many patients report feeling more at ease and better able to cope with their treatment after reflexology sessions. The lack of research explained. You might be wondering, if reflexology helps so many people, why isn't there more research on it? There are a few reasons for this. 1. Scientific rigor and evidence standards. Conventional medicine relies on large-scale clinical trials to validate treatments. Reflexology's effects are often individualized and subtle, making them harder to measure using traditional methods. 2. Funding challenges. Research is costly, and much of the funding for medical research comes from entities with financial interests, such as pharmaceutical companies. Since holistic practices like reflexology don't rely on products that can be patented, they don't attract the same level of funding, making large-scale studies more challenging. 3. Cultural and medical bias. Western medicine has historically focused on approaches grounded in biochemistry and pharmacology, often viewing practices like reflexology with skepticism. This bias can influence what studies get published and how seriously they're taken by the medical community. 4. Complexity of holistic treatments. Holistic treatments involve multiple factors, including physical, emotional, and spiritual components. This complexity makes it difficult to isolate the effects of reflexology and study them in a controlled setting. 5. Placebo effect and subjectivity. Reflexology's benefits can be subjective, like reduced pain or increased relaxation, making it hard to distinguish between actual physiological changes and the placebo effect in studies. A broader perspective on evidence. It's important to remember that the lack of extensive research doesn't mean something doesn't work or isn't real. Just because we don't yet have all the evidence doesn't mean that reflexology, or any holistic practice, should be dismissed. Science is always evolving and our understanding of health is constantly expanding. The absence of evidence is not the same as evidence of absence. How to get started. If you're interested in exploring reflexology, I recommend starting by finding a certified reflexologist in your area. Reflexology is most effective when used as a complementary therapy. meaning it works best when combined with other treatments and healthy lifestyle choices. It's also important to approach the experience with an open mind, as the energy and intention we bring to any practice can significantly influence the benefits we receive in return. There you have it, a deeper look into reflexology from both a neurological and holistic perspective. While more research is needed, the experiences of countless individuals over centuries show that reflexology can offer real, tangible benefits. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, manage chronic pain, or simply explore a new wellness practice, reflexology might be worth a try. A special thank you to the reflexologists who have helped me manage chronic pain and inflammation throughout the past several years. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and remember to nourish your body and nurture your soul.